Shalom, Yasharil. Join me as I dive deep into the journey of discovering my own path to spiritual awakening, and I'll share the challenges I faced along the way. Spiritual awakening is a journey that can transform every aspect of our lives. It's a path that allows us to discover our true purpose, to find meaning and fulfillment, and to connect with something greater than ourselves. And that's why it's essential to understand why this journey matters. Because when we do, we can start to unlock our true potential and live a life that's authentic and fulfilling. Have you ever felt lost or uncertain about how to start your spiritual journey? Maybe you have been searching for answers, but they seem tricky, or you have felt a sense of confusion about which path to take. You're not alone. Many of us have faced these same challenges, and it's normal to feel uncertain or doubt of our abilities. It's like trying to navigate a dark forest without a map. It can be scary and overwhelming. One of the biggest challenges we face is the fear of the unknown. We might be afraid to let go of our old beliefs or habits, or we might be unsure about what lies ahead. This fear can hold us back from truly embracing our spiritual journey, and it can keep us stuck in a place of stagnation. Another challenge is the distractions that surround us. With social media, television, and other forms of entertainment, it's easy to get caught up in the noise and lose focus of what truly matters. We might also experience self-doubt or feelings of powerlessness. We might think we're not spiritual enough or that we're not doing the right things correctly. But the truth is, there's no one right way to be spiritual, and everyone's spiritual journey is unique. And finally, we might face the challenges of finding a community or support system that understands and encourages us. When we're moved, when we're surrounded by people who don't share our values or interests, it can be tough to stay motivated and committed to our spiritual growth. So, how can we overcome these challenges and find our path to spiritual awakening? One powerful way is through mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breath exercises. These practices can help us to stay present and focused, and they allow us to connect with our inner selves. Another path is through self reflection, where we take the time to examine our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. This helps us to gain clarity and insights into what's holding us back and what we need to move forward. Connecting with nature is another powerful way to experience spiritual awakening. When we dip ourselves in the natural world, we can feel a sense of awe or wonder, and we can connect with the cycles of life. We can also explore different spiritual practices such as yoga or Tai Chi or energy healing to find what resonates with us. The key is to experiment and find what works best for our unique journey. One of the most profound moments of my spiritual journey was when I realized that I wasn't alone. I realized that every person, every tree, every rock, and every star is connected and attached. This realization was a motivation for me to take my spiritual journey more seriously, and it encouraged me to dive deeper into my own growth and examination. It was a moment of pure clarity, and it shifted my perspective in a profound way. Nothing but so praise him. Perhaps you have a similar moment of realization or insight. Maybe you have had an experience that left you with more questions than answers, or maybe you have felt a sense of re- restlessness knowing that there's more to life than what you're currently experiencing. Whatever it is, I encourage you to explore it, to examine it, and to follow its lead. Because when we do, we can experience a profound sense of transformation and awakening. In this video, we have explored the importance of spiritual awakening, the challenges we might face, and the various paths we can take to experience it. We have discussed the power of mindfulness, self-reflection, connecting with nature, and we have examined the motivation that can encourage us to take the first steps on our journey. So thank you for watching, and I love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. What challenges have you faced on your spiritual journey, and how have you overcome them? Share your stories, and let's support each other on this path to spiritual awakening. And if you're looking forward to more content on this topic, be sure to check out my next video, where I will be diving deeper into the power of spiritual practices. And like I said at the end of every video, family, it's your boy Makai, and this is a spiritual Hebrew channel for the Most High, and to also wake up the 12 lost tribes, but also about my spiritual journey, about the things I go through daily life. So, Shalom, Yasharel.